Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will learn long vowel A with different spelling patterns. As we know, vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y is also a vowel. And each of these vowel has two sounds, the short sound and the long sound. The short sound is the actual sound of the letter, just like A, E, O, So these are the short vowel sound, and the long vowel sound is the actual name of the letter. A, E, I, O, U. These are the long vowel sound. So vowel has two sound, the short sound and the long sound. But in this video we will learn only long vowel A sound, which is the actual name of the letter A. Here I have different spelling pattern that has long vowel A sound. Now let's learn step by step with examples. So as we know, A is a vowel and it has short sound and the long sound. But in these examples we will learn only long vowel A sound, that is A. U, A, D, E, lady. The sound of Y is Y, but when Y comes at the end of a word, then we will read E, lady. B, A, B, E, baby. A, P, maple, and this E is silent. P, A, P, paper. This word we will read as tricky word, bacon. Tricky words are the words that we have to learn by ourselves. We can't make sounds. Bacon. A, k, or n, acorn. T, a, b, table. H, a, o, hello. A, d, red. E, o, radio. B, a, b, s, ick, sick, basic. This word we will also read as tricky word, fatal. Next spelling pattern is if a word has vowel, consonant and a silent E, then we will read A as long vowel sound, A. So this is another long vowel sound spelling pattern. Now let's learn these words with sounds. K, A, came. As I told you, if a word has vowel, consonant and a silent E, then we will read A as long vowel sound. K, A, came, and this E will be always silent. U, A, k, lake. V, A, wave. K, A, k, cake. S, A, same. Sh, A, d, shade. S and H make sound sh, sh, A, d, shade. Pl, A, n, plane. K, A, j, cage. Tr, A, d, trade. Fl, A, k, flake. St, A, j, stage. The sound of G is G, but if G comes between two vowels, then we will read J sound. So always remember, if a word has vowel, consonant and a silent E, then we will read vowel as long vowel sound and this E will be silent. And this spelling pattern usually come at the end of a word. Next spelling pattern is whenever you see A and I together in a word, we will say A, long vowel A sound. Just like A, rain. S, A, sail. Tr, A, train. V, A, t, wait. G, A N gain. P A D pate. P A T pate. A F A D afraid. A S A N raisin. A N grain. A T fate. Next spelling pattern is the sound of A is A and the sound of Y is Y. But when these two letters comes together in a word, we will say A. And this spelling pattern usually come at the end of a word. A. As in pl, a, play. S, a, say. D, a, day. H, a, hay. St, a, stay. Cl, a, clay. Tr, a, tray. A, v, a, away. P, a, pay. This word we will read as tricky word. Relay. This is a tricky word. Today. Or we can say to. So this is tricky word. To, d, a, day. Today. So A and Y make sound long vowel sound. A. Next spelling pattern is E and A joined together make sound long vowel A. As in gr, a, t, great. St, a, k, steak. Br, a, k, break. A, re, g, n, gun. B, a, bear. T, a, tear. V, a, wear. P, a, pear. Next spelling pattern is E and Y also make sound long vowel A. As in a, hay. The, a, they. O, b, a, obey. W and H make sound v. V, a, way. S, a, sir. V, a, way, survey. So E and Y make sound A. Long vowel A sound. Next spelling pattern is whenever you see EIGH together in a word, we will say long vowel A sound. So these four letters make sound A, long vowel A sound, as in v, a, t, wait. A, t, eight. V, a, way. N, a, nay. Sl, a, slay. N, a, nay. B, neighbor. F, a, t, fate. So always remember EIGH together in a word make sound A, long vowel A sound. So these are all different spelling pattern that has long vowel A sound. A, 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 A. Now watch this video again and try to remember these spelling pattern, because these spelling pattern are very important for a child to read these bigger words. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more lessons update. Thank you.